Suzuki Alto 2006 genuine interior and outer shower CNG and AC. Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. आज की वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं एक Suzuki Alto 2006 जो अपनी क्लास और कंडीशन के हिसाब से एक परफेक्ट सिटी कार है. This Alto comes with a 100% genuine interior, meaning all the seats, dashboard, and door panels are original and well maintained. There is no wear or tear, no damage, and everything inside looks clean and comfortable. Whether you are sitting in the driver's seat or the back, the feel is fresh and premium for a car of this age. Now moving to the exterior, this Alto has a fresh shower look. The body is neat, well polished, and looks presentable from every angle. For city driving, this compact design makes it very easy to handle. Parking is simple, turning is smooth, and the overall look still turns heads because it's so well maintained. This car runs on CNG as well as petrol, giving you flexibility and cost efficiency. The AC works perfectly, so even in Karachi's hot weather, the cabin remains cool and comfortable. This makes it a great choice for daily commuting or long drives. One of the highlights of this Alto is the new tyres, which provide excellent grip on the road. This improves both safety and ride comfort. The battery is newly installed, so there is no worry about starting issues or sudden breakdowns. On top of that, the alarm system is already installed for added security, giving peace of mind to the owner. The car has been fully maintained and is ready to drive immediately. No work is required, no repairs pending, and the condition of both engine and suspension is excellent. For someone looking for a reliable, hassle-free car, this Alto is an ideal choice. Talking about pricing, the demand is 7 Lakh PKR, which is very competitive considering the condition, new components, and genuine interior. This makes it perfect for first-time buyers, small families, or anyone looking for a practical, budget-friendly vehicle in Karachi. The compact size, combined with smooth handling and low maintenance, makes it perfect for city traffic. You can easily maneuver it through narrow streets, parking lots, and heavy traffic areas without stress. It is practical, stylish, and ready for everyday use. The car also comes with all essential features for comfort and safety. The engine is in good condition, CNG is installed professionally, and the overall drive is smooth and responsive. You feel confident on the road, and passengers enjoy a comfortable ride every time. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or taking a weekend drive, this Suzuki Alto 2006 offers peace of mind, efficiency, and convenience all in one. The combination of genuine interior, fresh exterior look, AC, CNG, and new components makes it a rare find in the used car market. Location of the car is Karachi, so if you are nearby, you can inspect the car personally and see its excellent condition. The transfer process is simple and smooth, making it ready for immediate sale. So if you are looking for a reliable, low-maintenance, and fully functional city car, this Suzuki Alto 2006 is definitely worth considering. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Cars like this, in perfect condition and ready to drive, rarely stay on the market for long. If you like this video and want to see more honest car reviews, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming car listings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.